$800 apartment versus $8 million apartment. Just how different are the living conditions in Hong Kong? Well, today I'll be taking you to two apartments on opposite ends of the spectrum to find out the type of lifestyle each budget gets you. Behind me right now, while it might be a very subtle outside, is a very unique home inside. It's 68 million Hong Kong dollars, and we're gonna meet with the owner right now. Yep. Steve, this is Steve. Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Alex.
Yeah, would you guys like to come in?
Yeah, let's do it.
You can just follow me.
Awesome, cool. So first walking in, we have this kind of like a hotel entranceway.
Well, it's just a double locking entranceway, so you have the front lock downstairs and then a second level here that I can close, and this is sort of like the greeting area.
Why would you say you need the double lock?
Because I can have parties here.
Right.
And then once the party's full, I can close the second door and it just provides an extra layer of privacy and soundproof. To design this kitchen, I looked at a lot of like Architectural Digest magazines, kitchen and design home magazines to get ideas about what would really work if I wanted to be able to use that as a proper functioning chef's kitchen.
Right.
So that drove the design. Two very large full capacity refrigerators plus a wine fridge.
Right.
And similarly, it also has 3 full ovens. So it's really designed to be able to entertain and cook meals for large people. Like I'm a big believer in US Thanksgiving.
How many people can you invite over? Like who celebrates US Thanksgiving here? A lot of people? Or?
There's a decent expat population. And if it gets really crowded, it can spill over onto the back deck with these couches and a built-in fan, and it's also comfortable to sit outside, especially in the part of Hong Kong weather where it's not quite so hot and humid.
Right.
Roof is fully retractable, so you just click a button and the roof tucks back into the wall, and then you have an open sky.
So I heard this place is 6 floors, right?
No, there's a statistic that I read in a magazine, very convenient, says I have a six-story house, that if you walk 6 flights of steps every single day, it's supposedly going to add 2 years to the life expectancy by doing that amount of physical effort every single day.
Is that worth it though? 6 steps every day for 2 years?
Except that it's, you know, a little mini cardio activity that you don't have to go to the gym to get the benefit of.
Yeah.
So each floor is an entire room.
Right.
So while the first floor is a fully functional kitchen dining room,
Yeah.
this floor is sort of like a living entertainment room. It has a 7-speaker built-in surround sound system with a subwoofer, so you can get a real Hollywood type movie viewing experience in here.
It's also your workplace.
But yeah, you can see a lot of built-in bookshelf capacity.
You
So
have a lot of Chinese books.
I have some. That's more for show, just to be honest, because my Chinese reading skills are not what you'd think they'd be after living in Hong Kong for 13 years.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is our guest room, like I said, full room, but currently in use.
And then you have a nice lock going into your master bedroom.
Yes, this is the master. But the master has some touches that I think make it special to the master bedroom, like a proper fireplace, meaning it actually gives off heat for those few days in Hong Kong where you actually enjoy the warmth of a fire.
Also, this very unique. Oh, I'm always scared of these things.
No, this is very heavy
really
duty construction.
Yeah,
It will support, I mean,
That's
you
my
could
max.
go the whole way up to the next floor if you chose to do so. It has heated floors. So again, if it's cold, you just flip on a switch, the floors heat, and the bedroom becomes quite warm and toasty. This is a pewter bathtub imported from England. Heated towel racks to dry the towels quickly after you get done with your shower.
That's very unique.
You can look up 3-story open wall. Having a 3-story open view inside a master bedroom is something that you won't find in Hong Kong too frequently.
Just to give the audience a brief, Steve's actually in the legal industry, right?
Yes, so real estate is a side bet for me, but it's something that's really enjoyable. I have a full walk-in closet capacity that could, I think, as you can see, fit any amount of clothing that 1 or 2 or more people could possibly need space for. We have a full rooftop with open sky view, and it has a full barbecue, a refrigerator, a sink, and a shower. So it's designed for entertaining, and I haven't even mentioned the jacuzzi, which is big enough for 4 people.
Right now we're here with Norman, and which is pretty much the Times Square of Hong Kong, and we're gonna check out one of the most affordable places that you can find here, which is a little spin-off from our usual millionaire series.
What do you mean affordable, huh?
So this place is like
About 1,000 USD, maybe with water and stuff, 1,000.
Hong Kong mansion. Is there actually mansions in here, or?
They just tell you that to make you feel better, you know? Come on in.
All the floors like this, or?
I couldn't tell you, I'm not brave enough to venture the other floors. Welcome to my place.
Yeah, all right, you wanna give us a quick tour?
Well, that about sums it up.
What? No, this is so much stuff going on here.
Down the corridor on the left is the bedroom, down the corridor on the right is the bathroom. I've been here about half a year, so excellent apartment. It's got everything you need.
And it's great that it has AC, right?
It's got AC.
Can you actually just hang your clothes up here?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's the only place for it, but it's great, it works. It's good use of the space, otherwise
Yeah.
it just goes wasted.
You got your fridge, you got your
Fridge,
kitchen,
kitchen.
you got your laundry, you got your gym.
You have
Got everything
living
you need.
area. Oh man, beautiful place, man. So
Thank
like,
you.
I mean, you ever thought of downsizing or?
Downsize, I'm not sure it's possible. I got about 20 square foot of movable
how big
space
is
in
this
here.
place?
I think 120. Maybe 125, something like that. What are you laughing at, huh? Mr. Canada over here,
I'm
right?
used to the times 100 of that. How do you? Aren't you too tall to sleep on this bed?
So my feet,
Yeah.
it's all right.
Okay.
They touch it, but then I get this right, human ingenuity.
Oh.
Hey, look at that.
Do you ever
Bulkhead.
bring anyone over?
I can't answer that, my girlfriend will be mad.
Oh.